Hey, good morning. We're going to be looking at a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. Got the hood popped up. It's got the 3.5 sitting there running, purring like a kitten. Good looking truck. 2006, got the 4-door in it. Let's look inside here. Got the 4 doors in it. Got 243,000 on it. Nice, clean truck. I'm sure you're familiar with what the Ridgeline does. But it's got the tailgate, or the tailgate here in the back. You can drop down, have your full tailgate. Or you can side open it. Pop a key in it. Have a trunk, the back of your truck. That's cool. Nice looking truck. Clean 4-door Toyota Ridgeline. That's been $69.95.